Radiology is one of the crucial medical technologies used for disease detection and diagnosis. In Britain, the field of radiology faces significant challenges due to a shortage of skilled professionals. According to statistics, the UK healthcare system suffers from a severe shortage of radiology staff, leading to delayed diagnosis, treatment, and compromised healthcare quality. With rapid advancements in artificial intelligence (AI), it can play a pivotal role in resolving the radiology workforce crisis in Britain. AI is an innovative approach based on the development of programs and systems capable of simulating human mental abilities, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI technologies offer extensive opportunities for the field of radiology in Britain. For instance, AI can be used to analyze X-ray and CT scans with high precision, identifying subtle differences and changes that may be challenging to detect manually. This will undoubtedly improve diagnostic accuracy and alleviate the workload burden on radiology professionals. Moreover, AI can enhance the patient experience and healthcare efficiency. Through the development of interactive applications and tools, patients can access their radiology reports and diagnoses faster and more conveniently, fostering better communication between medical staff and patients. Nevertheless, ethical and privacy considerations should be taken into account when utilizing AI in radiology. Ensuring the security and confidentiality of patients' medical information is essential, and proper training for medical teams on utilizing these modern technologies is crucial. In conclusion, artificial intelligence appears as a powerful tool to tackle the radiology workforce crisis in Britain. Stakeholders must take decisive steps to effectively integrate AI technologies into healthcare, benefiting both patients and radiology professionals alike. Here's more on how artificial intelligence can further address the radiology workforce crisis in Britain. 1. Enhancing telemedicine. AI can play a significant role in improving telemedicine services in radiology. By using AI-powered image analysis tools, healthcare providers can remotely review and interpret medical images, allowing them to reach patients in remote areas or areas with limited access to radiology facilities. This not only improves patient care but also helps alleviate the burden on radiologists in high-demand regions. 2. AI-powered decision support systems. AI can assist radiologists in making more informed and accurate diagnoses by providing decision support systems. These systems can integrate patient data, medical history, and other relevant information to offer valuable insights and potential diagnoses, enabling radiologists to make better informed decisions quickly and efficiently. 3. Image reconstruction and enhancement. AI can be employed to reconstruct and enhance medical images, making them clearer and more detailed. This can be particularly helpful in cases where the quality of the original image is compromised due to various factors, leading to more accurate interpretations and diagnoses. 4. Predictive analytics. AI-driven predictive analytics can aid in identifying patterns and trends in medical imaging data. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help predict potential health issues, allowing healthcare providers to take preventive measures and provide proactive care to patients, further improving patient outcomes. 5. Continuous learning and improvement. AI systems can continuously learn and evolve based on the data they process. This means that as more radiology cases are analyzed, the AI algorithms can improve their accuracy and efficiency, ultimately leading to more reliable and consistent diagnostic results. 6. Workflow optimization. Implementing AI in radiology can optimize workflows and streamline administrative tasks. AI-powered tools can automate tasks like image tagging, report generation, and appointment scheduling, reducing administrative burdens on radiologists and allowing them to focus more on clinical decision-making. 7. Research and innovation. The integration of AI in radiology opens up new avenues for research and innovation. By collaborating with AI experts and data scientists, radiologists can explore novel techniques and applications, leading to the development of cutting-edge tools and methods that can revolutionize the field of radiology.